TP28. You get it what you expect. Friends, simply believe that it's possible. The number one problem that keeps people from winning is their belief that they lack the potential or the confidence to do something. Simply, it is the lack of belief in themselves. Someone has said it, I was reading somewhere, that whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. In fact, the mind is such a powerful instrument, it can deliver to you literally everything you want, you desire. But you have to believe that what you are doing is simply possible. It is doable, it is achievable. You simply get what you expect. Scientists used to believe that human responds to information flowing into the brain from the outside world. But today they are learning instead that we respond to what the brain, on the basis of previous experiences, expects to happen next. It is basically the brain's stimuli which directs and controls everything, and that's exactly makes it everything possible. I was reading a report of the doctors, orthopedic surgeons, doctors' experiences. He wrote in an article that studying the effect of orthoscopic knee surgery assigned patients with sore, worn out knees to one of three surgical procedures. The scraping out the knee joint, washing out the joint, and the third, they say, simply doing nothing. Now, during this nothing operations, a team of doctors, they anesthetize the patient. They put him in the actual real procedure, put him in under the anesthesia, and he's taken to the operation theater. And there they made 3 incisions in the knee as if to insert their surgical instruments. And then they pretended to operate. They carried out the entire procedure without actually doing it. And patient is, after the operation, he comes out, he recovers and discharged. And after 2 years after surgery, patient who underwent this pretended surgery, he reported the same amount of relief from pain and swelling as those who had received the actual treatment. Amazing. Difficult to believe, but it happened. The brain expected the surgery to improve the knee, and it did. Why does the brain work this way? The neuropsychologists who study expectancy theory say it's because we spent our whole lives becoming conditioned. Through a lifetime's worth of events, our brain actually learns that to expect next, whether it is eventually happens that way or not. And because our brain expects something will happen a certain way, we often achieve exactly what we anticipate. That is why it's so important to hold a positive expectations in your mind. When you replace your old negative expectations, my friend, with more positive ones, when you begin to believe that what you want is possible, your brain will take over the job of accomplishing that positivity for you. But better than that, your brain will actually expect to achieve that outcome. What is this timeless principle? Basically, I want to tell you that timeless principle 28 is nothing but simply saying that believe it's possible.